Hello all and welcome back to my channel, Drunk Crafts with Paige. I am Paige, and this week, where did my drink go? I am drinking Red Velvet Baileys, which I have never tried before, and it's kind of a seasonal drink because it's like a limited edition, but tastes like a cupcake. Thumbs up. Now our project this week is something I have been looking forward to for a long time. I have these wooden trays. And there are so many different things that we can do with these trays. So if you are interested in seeing what we do this week with them, please stay tuned. As I mentioned, these trays are so versatile. You can just have them as like a decoration on your table. You could use them in the kitchen. You could also use them as an actual tray. And I actually purchased a 3-pack. So we have multiple trays and multiple ways to decorate them. So this is gonna kind of end up being a multi-week project thing. This week, we're gonna be playing around with resin in one of them. And this tray is actually a little bit bigger than the other one I showed you guys, but I pre-painted the inside of it a nice white color. And this is just similar to all of our other canvases. It's gonna give me a nice base so the wood color doesn't show through. If you want the natural wood color to show through, if you want that vibe for your tray, then you don't need to pre-paint the bottom. But I just did a nice white coat so our pigments will kind of pop a little bit better. And that is already dry, so we're just gonna jump right into the resin. I have mixed up our resin, and I've got several different cups that I'm going to just pour it into, along with the pigment that I've decided we're gonna use. And I've got, I'll show you up close, I've got raspberry, papaya, gold, and orange golden. So kind of like a reddish orange kind of vibe going on. All of our pigments have been mixed into our resin now, and I guess we're just gonna get to pouring. Like I said, I have no real design concept here. Maybe we'll put some red. They're in the middle. And I've seen people do this, like, they've put like gold alongside. Let's follow that with this orangey color. What was this one? This was like the papaya, I think. I may have grossly underestimated the amount of resin I needed. Clearly, I'm gonna need more. Okay, I have more resin mixed up with all of the colors, and I'm gonna add more of this papaya color on the side because I ran out earlier. So there's some more of that. We're gonna add some more on this side. Here's more of the golden orange. There's more of the raspberry, and then we'll add some more of this gold as well. No real design, like I said. And I'm going to heat it up with the heat gun, get it kind of blending a little. I'm going to kind of tilt it around so I can make sure our whole tray beautiful, kind of marbled. I think I like it like this better, like not so separated, and kind of just, it looks like fiery marble. Don't have a lot of remaining resin, but we'll get it in here. Waste not. Now the whole thing will level out. It'll all come to a nice flat surface. My table is hopefully leveled. I did my best. And we're just gonna let it sit if you continue moving it around, I don't know if you could tell, but it just keeps blending it more and more. So if I were to just continue to like swish the resin around this tray, we'd probably end up with one solid color. We've got all the resin in there now. We're just gonna let it sit, and we're gonna come back to it when the resin has fully cured. We are outside, and we're gonna take an up-close look at how our resin tray turned out. And here is the tray. Sorry you could see my reflection in there, but all of the different colors ended up turning out, and I really like the raspberry, the dark red accents that are in there. So I'm interested to test out some more structured ones, like a geode, but I think this looks like marbled lava. I really like the way it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to leave a like or even subscribe to the channel. My links for my Facebook and my Instagram are linked down in the description box below if you'd like to follow me on there, and my PayPal is also linked if you feel like contributing to the channel. I'll see you guys all for the next video.